Hello, I'm J teacher. Today we are going to study Korean with another keyword. Today's keyword is 열정. That means passion. When you study different language, what you really need is passion. So let's learn 3 sentences by using this keyword 열정. Let's get started. Number 1. 진짜 열정적이네? 진짜 열정적이네? Number 2. 열정이 필요하지. 열정이 필요하지. Number 3. 열정적으로 일하자. 열정적으로 일하자. Okay, that's all 3 sentences today. About number 3, 열정적으로 일하자. It sounds like usually you might the expression from your boss. Like, hey, let's work hard really passionately. Sounds like 꼰대. Have you heard about the word 꼰대? In English, 꼰대 is like stick in the mud or old-fashioned. Like some old people who really conservative and very nosy and tell you what to do and tell you what's supposed you to do. So we call it 꼰대. I hope this video helps for you. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Or you can suggest a keyword that I can use in this video. Feel free to tell me. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.